students, I'm back with the set 2 video, and if you noticed at the end I did make the mistake of 3 times -1 and put -1. So I was going too fast, and that's a lesson for me to learn. So for all of us to know that it doesn't matter, you can always make those quick mistakes. The one thing I want to add is when I said this is you can always insert this answer into your equation to see if it balances. So just without having to write all the numbers, it's a bit cumbersome. So you put the -1 in this spot, and this spot. So 3 times -1 is -3 minus 1. And my wife's just in on a conference call. Sorry about that. Times 3. So now you've got -3, -1, which is a -4. Times the 3 is -12. Sorry, I'm speeding it up. And up here you would have 4. And I think you know 4 times -1 is -4. In your brackets, plus 1. And now you get -3 times 4 is -12. It balances, and that way you know that you're correct. That's an always way, and you can always do it anytime to check that. Okay. Oh, sorry, wrong clicker. And the next one, number 8. Okay, so in this one, what we're doing is adding and subtracting polynomials. In this one, we're subtracting. So I'm not sure if you remember this from the last time. But when you subtract these, it's easier to change this into a plus. And then inside the brackets, you would have x squared. So you've switched that sign. Switch that sign because you're going positive, plus 8x. And now you got a positive 12, needs to switch to a -12. And I'm checking my answers as I show all my work. See that? And in that one, when you combined all your like terms, and you ended up with the letter D as the correct answer. Okay, dragging down to number 9. Okay, so in number 9, I think the quickest way to do it to start is that you would know that black is positives. So this is 6x squared. And on the other side, 4 and 2, you'd have -8x. And it says division, so you're dividing. Keep that in mind. This is a -2x. Sorry. And on the bottom here, -3x. And you have +4. So then, when you look at all these numbers, and I think that you would notice as you go through them, I'm pretty sure that B is the only option that'll work there. Don't know how I just made that thin. That's pretty cool. Okay. Now, sorry, I had to move my picture there to get to the next question. I'll get better at this next time, I promise. Question 9. Okay, question 10 was a little bit of a difficult one for some. A couple of quick pointers. You're looking at the area. And in the area of this, then you have to multiply. So to find area, you go length times width. So this is 6x times your x plus 2, right? Distributive property, 6x squared, and 6 times 2 is a positive 12. And your x, without rewriting the whole thing, 3x times x, 3x squared, and 3x times 4, positive 12x. And then you combine your like terms. 6 and 3 is 9. Well, they're both there, but 12 and 12 get you the 24. So I hope that was a help. I'd like to hear a yes or no. And again, show the work as you go through it. People did well in the first quiz, and we'll try the second quiz in the next round. Thanks very much, everyone.